Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Bite Liquid Lipstick. This lipstick, according to the website, says that it is an innovative lipstick This innovative lipstick takes liquid lip to the next level with indulgently creamy wear, high pigment color, and a satiny finish. Each liquefied lip glides on with unprecedented precision for a perfectly polished look. So this is the lipstick. It's very small. Comparison, coffee mug, just so that you can see just how small it is. It's actually a sample size. So it came in a box set of 4 samples. So you can get them bigger. This one is only like 1.44 ounces, I believe. So it's very small. But I really like this lipstick. It is not sticky. It is not it dries pretty well, and it's not matte. It leaves kind of, like it said, it's a little bit of a satiny. You get a little bit of a shine to it. I love that you can see the color at the bottom. Because at first, before I even took them out of the box, you couldn't see the color, so it looked like this. So I'm like, well, that's kind of annoying because I thought you would have to open up each tube to see what color it is. But it does show the color at the bottom. And if you can see that, I can't even see. It's so small. See what color that is? There you go. So it's made in China. This color is called Flambe, and it's part of the Amuse Bouche mini sample collection by Bite Beauty. So yeah, like I said, I really like it. I've had this for a little while, and it's actually, the sample actually lasts quite a bit. Like, I've had this since Christmas, so 8 months, 7 months. And I have used it, I've used it maybe 6 or 7 times. So for like a small mini sample size, it's actually really, it has a lot of product in it, which is really cool. And I will say, every time that I use a Bite lipstick, I always get compliments on it because it stays really, like, it doesn't dry your lips out, it doesn't fade, like not even along the waterline. A lot of times along your waterline on your lips, like it'll start to fade. So like when your mouth is closed, you can't tell, but when you're like eating or when you're talking, you can tell that it's starting to fade on like the inside. This one doesn't do that, which is pretty amazing. I'll go ahead and open this up so that you can see. It is a wand, so you gotta twist it. And there you go. It has a little bit of an angle, which I really love. I love angled wands because I think you just get a more precise application. And with this one being so small, I think you get an even more precise application. You can go ahead and do a little swatch. So that, just a little bit, because I don't want to waste too much of the product because it is a sample. But so you can see, look at that color, like on one tiny little swatch. It's amazing. Like, that is just so pretty. So it came with 3 other colors. It comes in several shades though. Like all of the colors, I believe I got like a purple color, a nude, and one similar to this. It was a little bit more orangey though than this one was. So yeah, it's like a cute little rectangle, like a square tube, which is super cute and very different. You can get these probably, I know you can definitely get it on like Amazon and Sephora. I'm not sure if Ulta carries it as well. Ulta might carry it. and then probably also the Bite Beauty website. Those are probably the main places because it is a higher end lipstick or makeup brand. Yeah, it is just lipsticks. They only make lipsticks, lip glosses, pencil, like lip pencils. It's all about the lips with this brand. They don't have anything for like skin. But yeah, and so yeah, it feels really nice. I will say it does take a while for it to dry. Maybe you can see that, like if I touch it now, it'll be like super, super messy. It's just gonna be everywhere. So you do have to wait a little bit for it to dry. And also when you apply it, you don't wanna rub your lips together because then you're gonna, like, I did that the first couple of times I used it because I just didn't know, and it was so difficult. Like it just looked really weird and I had to it's a habit, so that's why I did it the second time as well. I had to just take it off and start over because it just, you can't rub your lips together. You need to just apply it and then wait for it to dry. So that is like the one downfall I feel like, is that it takes a while to dry and you can't rub your lips until so it's kind of like you're just sitting there waiting. So definitely don't apply it like right before you eat or anything like that because you're just gonna ruin it. You'll just have to reapply it anyway. So yeah, that is the one thing that I wish it either dried faster or that like rubbing my lips together wouldn't ruin it. A little bit of a crack on this one. So I don't know if that's just the tube, the container, that's not super quality material, that I've got a little bit of a crack there. I don't know. But yeah, overall this is a really great lipstick and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.